we just go? Can we just go? Think about where we're going. Can we just go?
So that was my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did one like this last year, kind of like a fall morning routine, but I wanted to show you kind of more of like my weekend routine. Leave down below any video suggestions you have for the fall. I have some great like fall day in the life that you will be seeing very soon, but I definitely love hearing your feedback. As you saw this morning, I get ready, I have breakfast. I probably do a little bit of editing. I didn't show you guys that, but it is about 11 or so now, and I'm about to just kind of transition into the activities that I need to do for the day. This is just kind of like Saturday. Typically what I do: lower start, eat my breakfast, watch some YouTube videos, do a little editing. Yeah, I really go into my skincare a little bit deeper. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.